This is an example of simplifying a rational expression that we need to factor both our numerator and our denominator. So let's look at our numerator and factor that first. I'm going to put it in my first, last, and then my middle. So my first term is x squared, my last term is negative 8, and then my middle term is 2x. So we get x squared times negative 8 is negative 8x squared. Now I need to come up with two numbers that multiply to give me that top number and then add to give me this number down here. So for negative 8x squared, I'm going to use negative 2x and positive 4x. Negative 2x plus 4x is 2x, and 4x times negative 2x is negative 8x squared. Okay, for my x squared, I'm going to separate that into x and x. X times negative 2 gives me negative 2x, and x times 4 gives me 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So I'm going to circle my diagonals, and that's my numerator factored. X plus 4 times x minus 2. Now let's look at the denominator, and we're going to factor that one in this second set of squares. My first term is x squared, my last term is negative 10, and then my middle term is 3x. X squared times negative 10 is negative 10x squared. I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 10 and then add to give me 3. Well, I know one of them is going to be negative since this is a negative sign up here. I'm going to use negative 2x and positive 5x. I'm going to split this to be x and x. X times negative 2 gives me negative 2x, and x times 5 gives me 5x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So circle my diagonals. That's my answer. X plus 5 and x minus 2. Now you'll notice in both our numerator and our denominator we have a factor of x minus 2. So I'm going to cancel that out in both, and I'm left with x plus 4 in my numerator and x plus 5 in my denominator. And that is completely simplified. If you get to this part here and you don't have anything that's able to cancel out, check that you factored your solutions correctly. Okay? If you have something wrong, it'll usually show up here that you're not able to simplify anything.